Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into some of the tastiest cuisines that are not only delicious, but also fantastic for your gut health. If you're looking to boost your digestive health, these three cuisines should be on your menu. First up, we have Japanese cuisine. Think miso soup, natto, and pickled vegetables. These foods are rich in probiotics, which are live bacteria that can help balance the gut microbiome. Miso soup made from fermented soybeans is a great starter. It's flavorful, comforting, and super beneficial for your gut. Next, let's hop over to Korea for some kimchi. Korean cuisine is famous for this spicy fermented vegetable dish. Kimchi is packed with probiotics and fiber, which aid digestion and improve gut health. It's perfect as a side dish in stews or even on its own. And finally, let's explore Mediterranean cuisine. This diet emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, like olive oil. Foods like yogurt and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics, while the fiber from fruits and veggies keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Remember, incorporating these cuisines into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your gut health. Give them a try and see how you feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.